So we have that set up here. So in the control panel, we have this base case bull growth, and we have the bear case here. So we're gonna be using these revenue forecast assumptions to drive our scenarios going forward. So for the base case, we'll have to reference. Let us go to the raw data and let us reference the averages for revenue, online stores, physical stores, retail third-party seller services, subscription services, Amazon Web Services, and other. Let us copy that, paste here as formulas. Then for the physical stores, we can see here that if we scroll here, we can see here that in 2018 there was an increase in approximately 197% sales in physical stores. However, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we can see a drop down in physical stores sales for an average in 2019 of negative 0.2%, and it dropped down to the year 2020 of negative 5%. So let us assign, based on our assumptions, let us assign a growth rate here of 5%. So for the base case, it's going to be equal to, we take the prior period, multiply that by 1 minus, go to the control panel, the assumption here of 20%, reference at survey F4. You can copy this to the end of the decade, paste it. So we have that in place now. And then for the bull case, let us assign the control panel 25%. So it's going to be equal to, we take the base case, multiply that by 1 plus the growth assumption here of 25%. So in the very best case, we believe that sales is going to grow at 25%. We can copy this, paste it down. And for the bear case, let's switch to the control panel, 25%. So sales will drop by 25%. We take our average assumptions here, multiply that by 1 minus 25%. We can copy this and paste it to the rest of the decade. And then for the other case, it's going to remain flat, so we just assign 0, no growth at all. So we have that set up there. Now we need to determine the live case, which is going to drive our financial statements going forward for revenue. So in this case, it's going to be equal to a choose function. We scroll to the control panel and we grab. So we are choosing using that scenario, and we drive. Let us go back and choose the different scenarios. Base case, the bull case, the bear case, And last, we have the other case here. We can copy this to the end of the decade. We paste it down. So these scenarios will drive our forecast going forward. So we can switch back to our financial statement. Let us reference from the raw data the year-over-year growth rate. We can copy this, paste it to the year 2020. We have that set up now. Going forward, we're going to be using the live case here to drive the forecast going forward based on the live case we just simulated from our scenario section here. So we grab the live case here, we can copy this, paste it to the rest of the forecast here. So we have that in place now. So whatever numbers you see here in green tells us that this is referring to another worksheet. So that is why we have there in green. So we have those in place there. So in order to drive Amazon's forecast going forward, we will be bringing in the historic financials for Amazon in our financial statements tab here. So we go to